let's get started. Start clone. Take out the original chip, put in the new one, uploading data, transponder cloned, writing data, copy successful. Okay, awesome. Complete. Put a new battery in. There we go. Now let's go ahead and program the remote. Take this programmer today. Alright, let's go. Alright, so let's test the new key on the door. Turns the door lock just fine. There we go. Chip is cloned, ready to go. We're halfway done. Now let's go ahead and add the remote. Now we just got to configure the system. Wait about 30 seconds. There we go. Learning succeeded. Shut the door. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Take the key out. Anti-theft light is on. Insert it into the ignition. Boom. Light's gone. Crank the engine. And that's it. That was adding a new remote key to a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow. Take it easy.